In this video, we are going to look at what step-by-step solution is. To implement the modules, the process flow of each module must be described in a step-by-step fashion. Why that should be done? Because anyone reading the solution can then understand what the problem is and what the solution has been arrived at. It is equally understandable by programmers and non-programmers. Why? Because the step-by-step solution is always written using flowcharts or algorithms or pseudocode, which are easily understandable by even non-programmers. During coding, each statement simply needs to be converted to a program statement because they already have a step-by-step solution in the form of pseudocode. It can be part of documentation and assist in program maintenance at a later stage. Micro level details like identifier names, operations required, etc. also get worked out automatically because the pseudocodes are written for each level. So, this is what the advantage is. Now, let's look at an example. My problem statement is accept fees payment. That means in a school, a parent has come to pay the fees for his ward. So, this is my problem. What is the solution? The step-by-step solution. First step, does the payer have fee slip? You need to find that out. If yes, go to step 3. Go to step 3. Else, go to step 9. Let's assume that the user does not have payslip. I'll go to step 9. Open fee slip printing window. There is a small module for printing the fee slip. Ask the payer for student ID. The student ID you have to ask, enter that value and take a printout and give it to the payer. You get a printout, go to step 3. Now again I am going to step 3. Open fees payment entry form, input fees slip ID, enter the amount being paid and mode of payment. So, you have taken the ID, entered it and then you will take the amount. Click on update button. You have to update that the fees has been paid. Stamp and sign the fee slip counterfoil and hand over to the payer. You have to give a receipt that you have taken the fees. Exit the window. So, now the person who is accepting the fees will close the window where he was working. Which window? The input fees slip window. Now, this is the step-by-step solution for the problem of accept fees payment. You will see something here that in statement 2, I say go to step 3 if yes. If no, go to step 9. So, it is not a sequential flow. One by one it is not happening. If yes, then do something else. If no, then do something else. This is implemented in the coding as control structure, which we are going to deal with in our next video.